just as you take some scotch and add a couple of drops of water and sort of open it up. When you chew on steak, that's what it does. It opens that flavor up. So it's so nice to get that back. Always had, I guess, genetically weak teeth, soft teeth. So spent the first 40 years of my life struggling with that and working through the issues, spending a fortune on dentists and pretty continuous failure in those areas. And all of a sudden you're 50-something years old and you reached a critical stage when something had to be done. A friend of mine who was doing some work for Dr. Bean, also doing some work for me, mentioned that he had had his bottom arch done and that it was amazingly easy from his expectation. So at that point, I called Dr. Bean, went in, talked to him, is confident, not cocky, but strong, understood exactly what we were going through and felt like he could make a difference. So we agreed to have it done. Just as my friend had said, it was an amazingly simple process. It was one day, laid down in the chair, woke up about 5 hours later. I said, okay, I'm ready to get started. And he said, no, we're done. Slept through the night like a baby. Didn't take the pain medicine, took the steroids and antibiotics that go with surgery, but it was an easy ride after that. Worked through the adjustment period for the temporaries and for the anchors to set and for the bone to grow around them so it stabilizes. There are little bumps in the road, but nothing difficult. Their design staff works really aggressively to make sure the product you're getting is exactly what you want. In my case, I wanted a very similar smile profile, a little bit of an overbite, and they just knocked it out of the park the first time. So that's been maybe 3 years, I guess, in November. See Dr. Bean's professional staff twice a year just for checkup and a little polish here and there. That's where we stand today. I've enjoyed the entire process. I would recommend that anyone considering this come and see Dr. Bean.